Alright, here we go. Just giving a quick look at the ATA arms. This is just doing a video on a couple of options I got with a couple of tactical shotguns, whatever. Now I went with the angle dot on here. I'm not really sure what I'm wanting to go with, so I didn't go high dollar because just in case I change my mind. In the same time, I'm going to see if these can withhold a, the recoil of a shotgun. I think this is Fiat or something like that, and then it's just got the regular sights on it. But no, that's one of the issues, or one of the methods of going with, I guess, whatever you want to call it. It's sighted in for slugs, so you can take that first shot on a pack of hogs, and then if you got them pack of hogs moving through the woods, whatever, you can quickly adjust over to the iron sights on it. So it ain't too bad. Like I said, this is just an option for an ATA arms, which is like the TriStar, but not as good as the TriStar. So there we go. Alright, this is a G-Force 12 gauge. It can take up 3-inch mags. This is a Turkish shotgun also, like the AR-12 style. Went with the dot up on top. Again, it's one of these is Fiat and the other one's not. They don't put their name on it, so I don't know which is which anymore. But going, because I'm not sure what I want to do. Got the 45 sights on the side, sighted in for slugs. So we'll see, if we can go and then transition over to the iron sights if need be. This is not a brake. It's pretty cool. What it is it's a choke, and it comes out the barrel, and it screws down on the for the choke tube. Give it something to look at. I gotta tie that in got the mags on it. You can get a drum for these. I need to find one. And that's just a good old Texas pig sticker right there. I've had that for decades now. Good knife, solid knife. That is definitely a been beat up knife. But no, that's just it. Just a quick look at an option on setting up if you get one of these G-Forces. Again, both are Turkish shotguns made. This one's okay. It was shooting birdshot pretty good. The first 5 I had a little bit of an issue, but after that it loosened up pretty quick.